What's up, you guys? Alon is here from Design VR, and we have an amazing house that we just finished today in Plantation. The house is 5,700 square foot. It's about 0.9 acres, 9 bedrooms, 4 bath, full, luxurious, a lot of amenities. And let's get into a house for a full tour. Guys, this is exciting. Let's go inside. So we made it into 9 bedrooms, a 5 bath with a split unit. So we have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on this side, and we're gonna have 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on this side. So let's go into a full tour. All right, guys, 32 feet of high voltage ceilings. We had to go with a very large dining area so we can accommodate all the people that will be staying here in the house. We have a breakfast coffee area right there with a view to the outside, where we're gonna have a synthetic grass soccer field that we added into the house. As you can see, the kitchen area is very large with a very large double island that we can also accommodate everybody for all the needs that we have when people are coming for vacation rental. This wall right here, I want to explain to you a little bit about the things that we did to create this into what it is today. So we added 2 rooms on that side. This was basically an open concept to the other side, and we added 2 rooms right here. What I love about this house is that when you look around, so right now all the doors are open, but basically everything is flushed, so you're not gonna see the bedrooms, so everything feels like one area right here, and you don't get interrupted by the rest of the house. Now we're gonna start with the master bedroom. So, all right, so the master bedroom, as you can see, they put a full panel on it, so when you close the door, and I'll show it for a second, it's gonna blend with the wall of the living room. So that's a very nice feature to have. You have windows and sliding doors that are going directly to the pool, so you have a very nice view when you wake up in the morning. King size bed. We did like a sitting area here also, and before there were 2 closets here. So right now there is still 1 large size walk-in closet. This side was a closet, and right now we made it into another bedroom. And that's quite a large size master bathroom. Dual shower heads. Double vanity. A makeup area. Powder area. And of course you have to have the lube, the toilet. The flashed wall with the fireplace. So the fireplace, it is heated, but it's also a decorative fireplace, so it looks really nice and give you a warm feeling when you sit here in the living room. And we're gonna now keep going into the rest of the bedrooms. So this bedroom was before the master closet, and we converted this into a room. And follow me to the rest of the rooms. So we have 3 more bedrooms and 2 more baths. That room right here is a little bit larger. And here we have a completely new bathroom that we created. So this used to be a laundry room before, and we made it into a very nice shower that also goes to the outside. And we have 1 more bathroom and 2 more bedrooms to see. So we're gonna have very identical bedrooms here, one, and a bathroom in the middle. Guys, check this amazing view. So we have the heated pool with the hot tub, and from here you can see all the large size windows. We have leading to 2 more bedrooms, 2 more baths. Over there is gonna be the basketball court and tennis court. It's a mix combining one. We'll see it in a little bit. Right here we put a very nice high quality synthetic grass with a day bed. So we have 2 separate entrances to the 2 rooms with the 2 baths. This originally was 1 bedroom with a kitchenette and 1 bathroom, and we made it into 2 and 2, and we have each separate entrance. You can see a very nice new bathroom. Everything is new, so very nicely done. And the other one will be very identical to this one. Another amazing feature that we added, a full movie theater. Come and join me. And from the movie theater, we're going to the playroom. So we put a pool table, a ping pong table, a foosball. For those people who want to play poker at night, some basketball for kids. And over there we have some seating area for some board games. It came out amazing. We're gonna go now into the multi-purpose court game that we created. We have a basketball court, an amazing design we created for our company in the middle. Now, as you can see, there are different drawings on the court. We can add also a tetherball, which is similar to tennis, but it's smaller. So we're gonna put a net there in the middle. We have the basketball, and we also have hockey that we can play right here, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. Now we're gonna come into the synthetic grass soccer field. Oh man, this is like so many treats in one house. We have a full playground for the children, synthetic grass, soccer field. This house has it all. Guys, Alon is here. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. We're gonna have so many more properties to show you in our next videos. So come and join us. We're from Design VR in South Florida, vacation rental. See you next time.